to be firm. But you served me well. I am giving you this goblet of Amrit. Should you see that person, place this Amrit in his mouth, and the person will become alive. That was Bhim. When Bhim was poisoned by Duryodhan, and he went there, then she placed the Amrit in his mouth, and Bhim became alive, and the father murdered with Bhim. So if you see Shiva Puja, don't play with it. Don't play with Shiva Puja. Always do it sincerely. In our Mahabharata, Kunti and Madari, both of them were going to Shivji Mandir and they were doing Shivji Puja. But what were they doing Shivji Puja for? Madari praying, my son Duryodhan must become the king. Kunti praying, my son Yudhishthira must become the king. Who Shivji must please now? Two persons coming in the Shiv Mandir, both of them praying sincerely at that time. And then both of them heard a voice saying, Pratakale samabhatva subarna pushpam samakita mam pujya tvayam kritva asnan putra rajayo bhavet. Tomorrow morning, those who bring golden flowers and they place it on my murti and do my puja, their son will become the king of Bharat. Well, Gandhari began to laugh because she had the treasury. Kunti, beggar lady, she began to cry. Oh Shivji, you are unfair. You know, I am a poor lady. That is the reason why you did this to me. She went home, she was crying. When her son came, Arjun looked at her. Ma, what is wrong with you? He says, son, don't ask me anything. What is wrong? No one cannot help me. Then he said, what kind of son am I? If I cannot wipe out that sorrow from your face. And he said, mother, you will get the golden flowers. You a beggar, Arjun? Where will you get golden flowers? He said, mother, don't be afraid. Lord Krishna is not dead. And the entire night Kunti could not sleep. In the next morning, she said, Arjun, where are the flowers? Go to the temple, mother, and the flowers will meet you there. Go. And Kunti tremblingly went to the mandir, and Arjun came out and he took out his bow and arrow. And he strung that arrow on the bow and he said a prayer. He he Swakrishnam Jadabansanacham Matri Swalajam Natu Rakshayesha Subarna Pushpam Shiva Puja Hetu Sarvatra Lokam Sharanam Brajami. Oh Lord Shiva, today my mother is greatly embarrassed. She wants golden power to do Shiva Puja. Help her, Lord Shiva. Do not let my mother be embarrassed. And I am sending this arrow. Let it fulfill the desire of my mother. And when Arjun released that arrow, the power of Lord Sri Krishna entered into that arrow, carried to the garden of Kuber, where the golden flowers were growing, and cutting them by the thousand, it covered the murti of Shivaji. And when Kunti opened what she saw, Shivaji was covered with golden flowers. She bowed down. He said, Kunti, you call me unfair? You said, I am just, here it is. Go, your son shall become the king of Bharat. And when Gandhari came with 12 golden flowers in her thari, when she went and she saw Shivji covered with golden flowers, Kunti, you a beggar lady, where you got all of this? I don't know. My son Arjun got them for me. Then she said, Eka putram tvaya dritva, Arjuno sarva sanketa, Shat putram maya kritva, ikshantam purito bhavet. What your one son Arjuna did for you, oh Kunti, I have 100, they cannot do it. You know why? Because he is a great devotee of the Lord. So my granddaughter said, I must thank you very much that for your birthday, when people are celebrating parties and all sorts of things, and doing all sorts of wrong things, today you are listening to the Shivji Katha. That is the way how people must celebrate their birthday, my people. In our Vedas it is written, Om Namah Shambhuvaya cha, Mayobhavaya cha, Namah Shankaraya cha, Mayasakaraya cha, Namah Shivaya Shivtaraya cha. It is in our Vedas. No one cannot hide it. And it goes beyond that. In our Rig Veda, Iman Me Gange Jamane, Saraswati, Chodutri Choman Matata. These are the name of Ganga. Iman Me Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati. These are in our Vedas. In our Rig Veda, one smart man was telling me, no, it does not mean Ganga and Jamuna. I said, what it means? He said, nerves in the body. Me say, my friend, I ask all the specialists. And they say, ask me if I am mad. Then I got no nerves in the body named Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati. You see, people are trying to hide it. But in the name of Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, all these are in your Vedas. And you are permitted to do it. So be very careful. Do your puja sincerely and pray to God. Panditji told about my age. My people, you have to grow old. But you know, you can grow old slowly or you can grow old rapidly. It depends upon you. You have that in your hand. And the mind plays a great part. Always feel that, well, I am not old, I am young. And when you have that feeling, you call that auto-suggestion in psychology. Where you are suggesting yourself that I am not old, I am young. Keep on. And don't let anybody tell your face looking bad. No. I know if a doctor make a mistake and he tell your heart is bad, you will fall down, come out and lay down. I mean, the doctor made a mistake, but you see, auto-suggestion, what it is, you suggesting to yourself now that I get heart complaint and you develop it. So our Panditji has given you great instruction. But what I want you to do, listen carefully to his katha, drink it, and go home with it. That is the purpose of coming here. Otherwise, Pandit was preaching, and he had an old lady in the sabha. So Pandit will look around, which Pandit paying attention to me? Who listening to my katha? Then he saw this old lady. She was crying, tears falling from her eyes. He said, well, I have one good sutta here among this audience. And when the katha finished, he was searching for the old lady. And when he went, saw her, he said, Mother, oh God, I came to thank you. He said, for what? He said, you are the only one sutta I had when I was reading. You were crying, whatever. He said, oh, then you think you katha not going to cry? He said, why you were crying then? He said, you know, you have a beautiful beard. He said, what my beard got to do with it? He said, when you read your shit, your beard. And you know what? Me had one ramgot, he had a beard like yours. Then people keep very ramgot. So every time you shake your beard and read, may I remember me ramgot and so please do not be fruitful like that. Go home tonight and go home with a pleasing mind and let Pandit also be joyful. Panditji, oh, you are wonderful. I always respect Pandit Chunelal, a great Pandit and a young Pandit coming up, very educated in Sanskrit. And God must bless you, Panditji, that you must always have that broad-mindedness. You know, when people have broad-mindedness, when they are broad-minded, not narrow-minded, that is why I love him for his broad-mindedness. I knew him from a small boy in a skill in Guyana. So you find it where I always admire. And when I heard his name, when Betty gave me the invitation at the younger there, and that you are coming, I extended my ticket. I said, must come here, Pandit Chunelal Narine tonight. Even for one night. And I must say, God must bless you, Panditji, that you must always develop yourself and go upward all the time. Of course, I saw what you have done in Venezuela, and I admired for that. Such a large temple. They said it was built by Pandit Chunelal alone, not from the help of anyone. With his own cash, he built that temple. Such a Pandit is sitting here today, a young Vyas, reading a man who built a wonderful temple in Venezuela. Because when I was invited to go to Venezuela, I said, wonder where am I going? What kind of Bush people I will meet? But I was surprised. Guyanese all over. So my people, God bless you all, and I must thank you all very much, and live very happy. And may I wish you, well, mucho gracias, buenos días, and hasta luego.
All right. Okay, that's good enough.
Jai Dev Mahadev, Jai Dev Mahadev, Jai Dev Mahadev, Jai Dev Mahadev, Jai Dev Mahadev.
which enabled humans to dominate the earth. Hadza grandmothers provide childcare, while mothers work in the fields. Studies have shown that these grandchildren are healthier and grow faster than children raised only by their mothers.
There's a recent anthropological explanation for that, and it's called the grandmother hypothesis. It's the theory that older women were absolutely essential to the band and essential to themselves because they played the role of grandmothers. She stopped ovulating early. She could use her waning amount of energy instead of having another child that would tire her out, devoting her time and resources to helping her daughter and her grandchildren. She could help her own DNA while she preserved her own energy. With menopause, levels of estrogen go down, unmasking levels of testosterone. And testosterone is a classy drug. It's associated with rank and power. And in case you haven't noticed, even in your family, postmenopausal women speak their mind.
But the men face a different fate. They tend to die much younger. By the age of 85, there are 3 women for every man. Women appear to be better survivors all through life. They have better immune systems to fight off illnesses. More men die in accidents and wars. More men commit suicide. Men die younger of most diseases. Biology seems to work against them.
There are 2 explanations which are given for the shorter life of the male, hormonal and genetic. Testosterone is not good for your long-term health, and it is one argument, and the other is that the female's body is actually the body's cells are more resilient.
But living longer is not necessarily the easier option. Eleanor Kalins married in 1948.
I was married 45 years. My husband's name was Larry, and he was a great guy, he really was. I didn't expect for him to die. You don't think those things when you marry. You think you're going to grow old together. That's hard.
To combat loneliness, many of today's seniors decide to revisit the dating game after years away. In order to try to meet a man, Eleanor joined the local over 55 singles group, where the men are spoiled for choice.
There aren't enough men to go around at the dances, not at all. And they have what's called a mixer, where the women line up on one side and the men line up also. But many men cheat. They see a particular woman they want and they'll wait, or they'll just go over and ask her to dance.
Biology and age dictate that any relationships that do blossom may not last very long.
Oh, I had 2 die on me already, besides my husband. One man died sitting next to me. He just keeled over and died. And that was really a romance. And the man, I just lost this other man 2 months ago.
So why do women live longer? We now know that women's genetic makeup makes them stronger contenders throughout life. Inside the cell of every person is a nucleus which contains the code that determines when and how that cell will die. Within each nucleus are the 23 pairs of chromosomes which store this vital information. However, there's a crucial difference between men and women. The X chromosome, with its 1,000 genes,